Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Today's Hanuman Chalisa verse is Prabhu Charitra Sunibe ko Rasiya Rama Lakhana Sita Mana Basiya. Prabhu, Lord, Charitra, story, Sunive, here, Ko, to, Rasiya, joy, Mana, mind, Basiya, reside. O Hanuman, you enjoy listening to Lord Ram's story. Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Sita reside in your heart. Victory to you. This is what general meaning of this particular verse. Prabhu Charitra Sunibe ko Rasiya. You enjoy listening to Lord Rama's story. But this is the duty of a true devotee. He has to be devoted to God's glory. He has to spend his whole time into listening God's story, God's glory, and etc. Like when we become fan of someone or we start loving someone, we always want to hear something or other from them. Always we will be thinking or talking about them. Right? Here, Hanumanji, a true devotee of Ramji, and he always wants to talk, think, and hear about him. A true devotee, true God lover, always wants to know about his glory, his kindness, and God's complete, unblemished, pious life. Apart from that, he don't want to do anything in his daily routine. Just enjoy the God's story, God's glory. This is called Bhagavata Dharma or Bhakta Dharma. It is stated in Bhagavata Mahatmya. Don't waste your time. It says, Dharmam bhajasva satatam tyaja loka dharman sevasva sadhu purushan jehi kama trushnam anyasya dosha gunachintanam ashu muktva seva khatha rasamoho nitaram pibatvam. Dharmam bhajasva. Always do righteous thing. You always depend upon dharma. Always do dharma-oriented things. Tyaja loka dharman. Don't get attached into materialistic thing. Sevasva sadhu purushan. Always do the service to good and pious people. Jehi kama trushnam. Completely ignore desire and other pleasure-giving things. Sensual pleasure-giving things. Anyasya dosha guna chintana mashu muktva. Don't do the gossip at all. Don't talk about anybody's drawbacks or anything. Just concentrate on God. Seva katha rasamoho nitaram pibantum. Just do the service to God, do prayers to God, listen God's story, listen God's glory, and your life will be satisfied one. This is what Bhagavata says. That Bhagavata Dharma Hanumanji was following. That is why Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasiya. You enjoy listening to Lord Rama's story. So then Rama Lakhana Sita Mana Basiya. Lord Ramji, Ma Sita ji and Lakshman ji reside in our heart. This is the symbol of the true yogi or personification of a great yogi. It's stated in Parashara Smriti, Agno Kriyavatam Devo Divi Devo Manishinam Pratimasu Alpabuddhinam Yoginam Hridaye Harihi. The people who know how to do the yagnik rituals, the fire ceremony and all these things, with such a devotion and dedication, they practice high-skilled rituals, yajnas. They see the God in yajna and experience the bliss. They see the God in that particular fire and they experience the bliss. The people who are scripturally qualified, they know scripture knowledge. They have a complete knowledge of all the scripts. They understand the truth and God by studying the scriptures and see the God in moksha and experience the bliss. The pratimasu alpabuddhinam, people like us, we don't have a scriptural knowledge. We don't have that much highly skilled qualification to do the yajnam. And we will see the God through deity. We invoke the God in deities and pray. Through praying and worshipping, we will see the God through deities. So that is why the deity worship, idol worship and all these things, they say, no, it is there. There are certain level of worshipping levels. People, they are qualified into that particular level. They follow that thing. And we are not qualified to reach that level. So that is why our level is to see God through the deity. That is why we are seeing through the deity. And Yoginam Hridaye Harihi. They close their eyes. They experience God and His bliss in their heart. By realizing the God and the truth. So they realize the God in heart, they see the God in their heart. So your heart is abode of Sri Ramachandra. You are a yogi. Your God is sitting there. And Sita and Lakshman, you can close eyes and you can see Rama, Sita, Lakshmana in your heart. So you are a true yogi. So, in these two lines, Tulsi ji explaining us how dedicated bhakta and devotee was Hanumanji and how he was practicing Bhagavata Dharma and his yogic nature as well in the second line, Rama Lakhana Sita Mana Basiya. By praying this verse, our devotional level increases and our path of yogic journey will be smoother one. So I hope This particular two lines will bring us that bhakti and that yogic thing in our life, and Hanumanji bless us as well. Hope you all enjoy it. God bless you all. Hari Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. God bless you all.